How to fix pairing unsuccessful error on iPhone and iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, if you're trying to connect your AirPods to your iPhone but you're facing this kind of problem, then keep watching this video because in today's video here I'm going to tell you how you can fix this problem on your iOS device. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to solve this problem, first make sure your AirPods is turned on in a range and ready to pair. After confirming it, now go to the settings application, then tap on Bluetooth. Now click on the information icon of the AirPods that are not connecting to your iPhone. Now tap on forget this device. Then tap on forget to confirm your action. After that, now restart your iPhone once and then try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. Method 2. Make sure you have not connected to your AirPods to any other device. Guys, ensure your AirPod is not connected to any other device. Sometimes we connect our AirPod to another device due to which our AirPod connect to the same device repeatedly and we got this problem. So make sure your AirPod is not connected to any other device. Method 3. Reset all settings. To reset all settings on iPhone, first go to the settings application. Now swipe down and tap on General. Then swipe all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap reset all settings to confirm your action.